Hello, kinder friends. Right now, you and me, you and me, and you and me, and all your friends are going to be taking a little kindergarten test. Don't be nervous. We're going to practice together, and then I'm going to hear your beginning sounds. So, for example, I'm going to show you a picture. You've seen this picture before. It is an alligator, and we know that an alligator, the first sound that you hear is ah, ah, ah. This sound isn't the letter A. No, a sound is something that goes ah or b or k or d. All right, so let's practice. Actually, let's practice our letters first. We know that the A sound goes ah, ah, ah. Good. We know that the B sound goes b, b, b. Uh-huh. We know that the C sound goes k, k, k. Good, good, good. And we know the sound. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This sound goes d, d, d. All right, now we're ready for our quiz test, whatever you want to call it. All right, so we know that our b, k, d are all sounds, and we're listening for them in the beginning, all right? So, again, here we go. We have an alligator. Ah, ah. Give me the sound. Ah, ah. Good. All right, we also have a dog. Give me the beginning sound. D. Duh. Yeah. All right. Tell me the beginning sound. K. K. Let's see what else we have. A door. Beginning sound. D. D. All right. Let's do another one. Corn. K. K is the beginning sound. Oh! It's a dinosaur. Beginning sound, please. D, d for dinosaur. All right, you're getting good at this. Give me this beginning sound. B, b. Oh, you know this beginning sound. What's the sound? Ah, ah. Awesome. All right. Beginning sound. B. B for box. And the beginning sound, don't bite me, for an ant is eh, eh. Awesome, my friends. You just did so good on this quiz that you know all your beginning sounds that I want you to practice a different way. So what you're going to get is you're going to get your beginning sounds book that looks like this, okay? When you get that book, you know that you are going to be doing 2 letters, whatever 2 letters you want. And you know what? If you want to do some more, you're allowed to do some more. So what I have for you here is the same thing that is inside your book, and this is a letter A. But the beginning sound for the letter A goes ah, ah, ah. Let me move this up so I know you can see all of it. All right. Alrighty, my friends. So what we are going to do, Miss Donnelly needs her marker. Please wait 1 second. I'm back. All right, what we're going to do on our A paper is we're going to touch with your finger. Touch with your finger every single picture and say the word because we are listening for the beginning sound. Help me. All right, the first picture I'm going to start up at the top. This is an astronaut. Astronaut. Do you think that sounds like it begins with the sound? Astronaut. Yeah, it does. So anytime you hear that sound in the beginning, you're gonna circle it. I know it says the color, but we're gonna circle them and then color later. Okay? The next one we're gonna touch is a pizza. Delicious. Pizza. Pizza. you know what? When we know what's wrong, we're gonna cross it out with a big old X. Get out of here, pizza. All right, next one is a guitar. Ooh, I love guitar. Guitar. I don't hear the sound, no. All right, touch the next one with me. Ambulance. Ambulance. You're right. Give it a circle. All right, come on. We got a lot more pictures. Here we go. Lion. I didn't think so. It's an old. All right, let's do the question mark. Question mark. Nope, we'll cross that out as well. And the ball. No, it's not the letter A. It's not the Another cross out. Oh, man, we got to get some more A's. This is an alligator. You knew that one. It's a circle. Go ahead and circle it with me. And then we have an axe. We learned about that on our letter A day. Axe. Good job. Circle that as well. A carrot. That deserves an X because I don't hear an sound. All right, 2 more. We have some yogurt. No, that one's a cross out. And the last one is an apple. We know that's it. All right, my friends, it is your job. You're going to be doing letter A with me, okay? And then anything that you circled, those are the ones you color. Don't color any of the ones that have X's. Uh-oh, I see something Miss Donnelly forgot to do. Oh, no. She forgot her name. Please write your name at the top. Don't forget. On every single paper you'll ever have in school, you always need to write your name so it doesn't get confused. All right, my friends, you are going to color anything that is circled. You are allowed to do A, B, C, and D if you want, or your option is just to pick 2 letters. You can do A or B, or C and D, or B and D, whatever you want, okay? Your letters are here inside your new book, and I hope you have fun finding your beginning sounds.